You have heard of a lot of inventors over the years: Wright brothers, Thomas Edison, Alexander Graham Bell, Samuel Morse. But we never heard of a person who is the inventor of today's necessities: Nikola Tesla, born and raised in the Austrian Empire. When he was born, there was a storm, and his mom said he would be a child of light. Little did she know how true those words could be. Tesla studied engineering and physics in 1870s without receiving a degree. He gained practical experience in the early 1880s, working in telephony and Continental Edison new electric power industry. His father saw his interest in engineering and promised him to send to Europe, and he did. In 1884, Tesla emigrated to US, where he became a naturalized citizenship. He worked for Edison Machine Works in New York City. There, Thomas Edison got an eye on the Tesla and said, "I had a lot of employees, but you are the best of all of them." This friendship didn't last longer. They both became bitter rivals when Tesla got an idea of AC voltage, or alternating current. Edison didn't like his idea and supported DC, or direct current, because he has all the patent related to it. Tesla once said that a worker at the Edison machines made a deal: if he could make the DC system better, he would award him with $50,000. Tesla managed to do this, and when he got to Edison for the work he did, Edison replied, "You don't know the American humor." Tesla left and said, "I don't care that they stole my idea. I care that they don't have their own." Tesla started working on AC. He created an AC induction motor. He started spreading the information of his motor and then caught the attention of George Westinghouse. AC patents were then licensed by Westinghouse Electric in 1888. This earned him a considerable amount of money. The War of the Currents began. Tesla supporting AC while Edison supporting DC. Edison started to degrade Tesla on his invention. He built an electric chair to show how dangerous AC voltage is. His company publicly tortured animals and also created a movie in which they electrocute an elephant, leading to its death. Westinghouse and Tesla didn't stop and created a fun fair where 27 million people joined. The people who attended knew that AC will power the future. But Westinghouse Company started to draw money and got into debt. He came to Tesla and said they could only get away with this if they stopped his royalties. His royalties were like 22 million or $300 million in today's world. Tesla agreed and got away, leaving behind his royalties in regard of his friend. He said, "Thanks for trusting in me when no other was." In this regard, Westinghouse paid $200,000 and allowed every patent to him. Tesla got an apartment in New York City and started inventing other stuff such as wireless control boat, Tesla coil, mechanical generator, electric discharge tube, X-ray imaging, and this is the X-ray of his own hand. Tesla pursued the idea of wireless lighting. In 1893, he made pronouncement on the possibility of wireless communication with devices. Tesla put his effort in it, but he ran out of funding and he couldn't complete it. He died on 7 January 1943 and at the age of 86. Tesla died alone in room 3327. He died in the Hotel New Yorker. Cause of death was coronary thrombosis, a type of heart attack. This genius came in view of people by the company Tesla Motors, who bear his name. Today, everything we use, such as light bulb, refrigerator, or electric heater, we should thank Nikola Tesla for his invention. That's all for today. Hope you like it and subscribe to Tech Talks.